Hello everyone and welcome to Vilinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the issue where the Set Time Zone Automatically option is grayed out in Windows 11. And now let's get started. If you are experiencing the problem of the Set Time Zone Automatically option being unavailable and grayed out in your Windows 11 operating system, there is a simple solution. First, let's ensure that location services are enabled. Open the Windows search bar and type the word location. Navigate to the location privacy settings. Within these settings, locate the toggle switch for location services. If this switch is currently off, simply turn it on. This is a crucial step, as automatic time zone setting functionality relies on location data being accessible. Once you have confirmed that location services are enabled, you can proceed to adjust the time zone settings. Go to the Time and Language section, and then select Date and Time. Here, you should now find that the option to set your time zone automatically is no longer grayed out, allowing you to toggle it on. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.